Good evening, student. And in this video, I am going to lecture today about ionic bond. It is the type of chemical bond. And bond, actually, what is the bond? The force which all the atoms, ions, molecules together in a molecule. The word is called described by the bond. That's mean ionic bond. This is the first strong bond, and there are two types of bond. One is a strong bond and another is weak bond. The strong bond, that's mean ionic bond, covalent bond, electrovalent, that's mean coordinate covalent bond. Today I am there discussing today lecturing ionic bond. What is ionic bond? Ionic bond, this is bond which is formed by the as a result of actual transference of electron from one atom to another atom. This bond was proposed by Kosel in 1916. The ionic bond, first of all, the Kosel was a German scientist. He given the idea about the ionic bond. The ionic bond, the bond which is formed as a result of the transference of electron from one atom to another atom. As we know that there's been atom take part in a chemical combination. Uh, that's chemical combination. They want to complete their outermost shell yard to get stable electronic configuration. The Kosel, as a scientist, he suggested that the atoms, the inert gas configuration could be obtained by the transference of electron from one atom to another atom. This type of bond is exhibited by the atom which can lose electron to get a positively charged ion or gain electron to form negatively charged ion. The atom which loses electron is said to be electropositive atom, and the atom which gain the electron is said to be electronegative atom. The more electropositive atom are always low LU of ionization potential, and the electron which capable of losing electron with greater haze. The electron lost by the electropositive atom are completely transferred to other atoms which show greater electronegativity. This is the ionic bond. The ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electron from electropositive atom to more electronegative atom. This is the definition of ionic bond. The ionic bond, actually, it is the bond which is formed between the metal and non-metal. One or more electrons are transferred from metal and non-metal. Metal are present in the one corner of the periodic table, and non-metal present in the right side of the periodic table. The non-metals have greater electronegativity, greater electron affinity. They have capable of gaining the electron, and the non-metals, they are present electropositive atom. They are present in the left side of the periodic table. They have capable of losing the electron. They get positive charge, and the non-metals, they get negative charge. One or more electron are transferred from a metal and non-metal. The metal becomes positively charged ion, and the non-metal becomes negatively charged ion. These oppositely charged ion, they get together. Electrostatic force of attraction come. The ionic bond can be formed. This bond is formed between metal and non-metal. One or more electron are transferred from metal to non-metal, metal to non-metal, and doing so metal becomes positively charged ion, that's called cation, and the non-metal becomes negatively charged ion. Charged ion. These oppositely charged ion L together by electrostatic force. Electrostatic force to form ionic bond or electrovalent bond. This is the ionic bond. The ionic bond, it is the force of attraction that all positive and negative ions together in a compound is called ionic bond. This ionic bond first of all proposed by the Kossel in 1916. He was a German scientist, and this is the ionic bond. And the ionic bond is found between metal and non-metal. The example take the sodium chloride, magnesium chloride. Sodium that lose the electron get positive charge, and chlorine gain the electron, it get negative charge. If the positive and negative charge they interact together, the force of attraction comes, they get together, they becomes bond, they combine together, that's ionic bond. This is the ionic bond, and this lecture I till today ionic bond, and the next video I will teach the covalent bond. Thank you.